Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, white color and green color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for quill. Kids, now you draw R and use blue color. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zoo. Kids, now you draw numbers and first you draw 1 and use black color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and last we draw 10. Thank Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.